How to add push messages to a website. Push notifications are a great way to make instant contact with your site visitors in common browsers. Even if the site is not open in the browser, works great in Chrome. When you send a push notification, all your Android, iOS, and web push users will get your notification. Sample of web push. You can also select through the system 3 kinds of prompts to your website users. It's important to make sure that the site runs securely on the HTTPS protocol. If not, the push messages will not work. Google policy. If you have a WordPress website, you just need to set the web push in our system and install the web to application plugin on your website and your web. Push notification will work. Below is an explanation of how to set up push messages on your site using web2application.com. Step 1. Enter your Firebase account. If you do not have an account for your application, you must open an account with your Gmail. Firebase belongs to Google. Address: https://console.firebase.google.com. Click Add Project and fill in the details. Step 2. Right now, after you have an account, click Add App and select a web app. Step 3. After you click, a window will open with a code that needs to be copied to your system at web2application.com. Important: copy only the lines marked with the code and paste them into the correct field in your management interface. Step 4. Access the app settings by clicking the gear on the menu and then the project setting. Step 5. Navigate to the cloud messaging area and copy the legacy server key. Important: note that there are no spaces on the right or left side. Then copy the code to the appropriate field in your admin interface. Step 6. At this stage, you need to produce a certificate for your site. Scroll to the bottom of the page and press the Generate Key pair. After you click, you will receive your certificate code. Copy it to the appropriate field in your management interface, and then click Save. Please note that for security reasons, if the process takes a long time, you will have to re-enter the system and enter the data again. Step 7. Once you have stored the data and saved it, you will be presented with the codes to be embedded in the header of your site and a file to download. The file needs to be uploaded to your site's main root folder, the main folder of the site on the server. Please note, if you have a WordPress website, our plug installation will install the web push codes and file automatically. But if you are using WP Rocket Minify, it should break Firebase JS code. Please exclude the Firebase code from the modification www.gstatic.com/firebase.js/7.11.0/firebase.js. Step 8. Check and send a push. Once you've set everything up, it's time to check whether your browser's messages are working. Browse to your site, and you should be notified that your site wants to be approved for sending messages. Please confirm the request. Sending test. Push. Enter the management interface and navigate to the push sending area. Please note that sending the push will reach all your users on the site, in the Android app and in your iOS application, if any.